welcome to my channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Leo. What will happen in Leo life in 2025? Let's see 2025 for Leo. First, second, okay, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, let's start reading the cards. First card we have Seven of Pentacles. So, uh, see, you are just thinking something constantly, and you might be don't want to do it, or you are just do not have courage to do this. But something you want to achieve, something you want to get, but still you are thinking, you are not making any kind of plans about it, and not moving about, not just doing any work. It is connected maybe to journey, maybe some kind of journey is there. You might be planning about some journey, it is difficult for you, but you will do. Travel is there for you maybe. And then we have the Hierophant. uh, you you are celebrating something. You, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you are enjoying it, and you are not hurry about anything. You are just moving step by step and just taking things very easily, having patience and doing it, doing and trying your best to do this. Then we have the Magician. Some kind of success is there, and you are getting success in some areas of your life. And you are, maybe some of your plans might can be successful. Some of your options, opportunities you were expecting can come towards you. And but something you were planning, something you wanted to do is going to uh, come come up towards you. Then we have the Star. You are spiritual, you are open, you are thinking deeply something, you are observing something. And you want to come out from a double minded thought. You are coming out from a stressful situation. You are more balanced in this year. Then we have Six of Swords. Uh, there is a journey definitely for you. There is a travel for you, and that travel, that journey, and that reunion with something, that connection is little bit playful for you. But you will do this. You are having it, and you are trying to do justice in your relationship, in your financial matter. But whatever is this, whether it's your journey, whether it's your relationship, whether whatever the situation is, you are connected with something, you are moving with something, and you are doing justice in this. And you are trying your best, and you are successful in it. Then we have the Hermit. uh, you are more matured, and there is a birth of options maybe. And yes, your wisdom is increasing, your sense of humor is increasing, your options are increasing, because you are more matured, you are more you are valuing your wisdom a lot, and you are having good opportunities. Then you have Page of Swords. Something which was stuck are now healed, and something which was not working for you is going to work for you. And if you are watching something, if you wanted something, and now it's going to happen. And it is more related about your relationship matters, about your family matters. Then we have a Three of Pentacles. Your work area will be good, and you might be two options. And you you will have maybe two options, and you will have to choose one, but you will get options. in your work area especially, and there is a growth for you in your work area. Last three cards for overall reading. Okay, first card we have Wheel of Fortune. So things are more good, more convenient, more easy for you. Time is changing for you. Then you have Justice. So clarity is coming. Things are more clear for you. Things are easy to approach. Then you have the Empress and Ace of Cups. So you might be getting married, or maybe you are having a good time in your work area. You might be getting finance, but something you are getting, something you are achieving very easily, because some kind of blessing is coming towards you. And but the bottom of the deck is the high priestess and king of cups. You will be in a situation where you are confused, and on the other hand you are balanced. So the confused and puzzled thought is prevailed all over the year on you. Okay, now let's see the angel message for you. What angel has a message for you? Eight number is important for you, and you are successful. Your talent for setting and reaching goals in life to others. You are self-sufficient and capable on achieving your ambitions and representing and flow the change loop and flow the change and loop of creation. You are successful. Eight number is very important for you.